Bedtime story.
I got just the one, Sweet Pea.
It came from the ground? I haven't read this one before.
I think it's time. It was the perfect day in Bodyville for everyone to thrive. Henrietta Hart and Kenny Kidney were both healthy and happy to be alive. But something in the distance crept past the dawn, an ancient substance known simply as radon.
Radon?
A radioactive gas that could sneak into their house. One they couldn't see, smell, or taste. Cunning like a mouse. One that could make them all sick over time. And is currently the second leading cause of lung cancer. Oh my.
Oh no.
In one little house lived a very sick pair of lungs. A grandma named Eleanor, to whom her concerned granddaughter, Lily, tightly clung. The town and Lily grew concerned about Grandma Eleanor's health. She's wheezing, coughing, and has a shortness of breath. And when it comes to mealtime, Lily informed the other organs, Grandma is eating much less.
What are they gonna do?
Just then, Lily proved to be the bravest little girl in Bodyville when she stood up and said,
I know what's causing this, but we must act quick. Otherwise, one day we may all get very sick. The culprit's name is radon, a substance we cannot see, smell, or taste. Without testing, we'll always get away. But hear me now, for it won't be long. I'll not stop till radon is gone.
Down with radon, the town joyfully cheered. A tear fell from Lily's face. It was all she needed to hear.
Radon will never show itself, but we can request a test kit online. That way we'll know where it is and can then fix our homes, and then everything in Bodyville will be fine.
Although radon would never be totally gone, they could at least fix their homes and lower their lung cancer risk. End of part one.
The end? What about Lily's lungs? Did she defeat radon?
I guess we'll have to wait for part two and a test kit of our own. You know, you should always test for radon when buying, selling, or renovating your home. Also, if you never tested before, because you won't otherwise know the levels.
Wait, you mean radon might be here in our house?
If it is, radon won't stand a chance against us.
Be a Lily and keep your home safe by testing for radon today. Visit us online at azhealth.gov/radon.